Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an important topic for those managing diabetes nighttime habits that can make a big difference in your health. We all know how crucial it is to take care of ourselves, especially when we're dealing with a condition like diabetes. But what many people don't realize is that the things we do before bed can have a huge impact on our blood sugar levels and overall well-being. So, if you're ready to take control of your health and make some simple changes to your nighttime routine, stick around. We're about to reveal the top 5 nighttime habits that every diabetic should know. Let's get started. We all know a good night's sleep is important, but it's even more crucial for people with diabetes. Sleep is not just about feeling refreshed, it's about maintaining stable blood sugar levels throughout the night and into the next day. When you have diabetes, your body doesn't process glucose or sugar properly. This can lead to fluctuations in your blood sugar levels, especially when you're sleeping. That's why maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is so crucial. Going to bed and waking up around the same time each day helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. This in turn helps regulate the hormones that control your blood sugar levels, like insulin and glucagon. When you don't get enough sleep or your sleep schedule is erratic, it disrupts this delicate hormonal balance. This can lead to higher blood sugar levels in the morning, a phenomenon known as the dawn phenomenon. And trust me, waking up to high blood sugar is not a fun way to start your day. But it's not just about preventing the dawn phenomenon. A consistent sleep schedule also improves insulin sensitivity, meaning your body can use insulin more effectively to lower blood sugar levels. So, how much sleep is enough? Most adults need around 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. But remember, it's not just about the quantity of sleep, but also the quality. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet to create an optimal sleep environment. And try to avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with your sleep. Instead, consider reading a book or practicing relaxation techniques to wind down. Creating a bedtime routine can signal to your body that it's time to sleep, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Additionally, it's important to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly and adjust your sleep schedule as needed. If you find that your blood sugar levels are consistently high or low in the morning, it may be worth discussing with your healthcare provider. They can help you determine if your sleep schedule or other factors are affecting your blood sugar levels. Stress and anxiety can also impact your sleep and blood sugar levels. Practicing stress-reducing activities such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or gentle yoga before bed can help calm your mind and prepare your body for restful sleep. Remember, managing diabetes is a holistic process that involves not just medication and diet, but also lifestyle factors like sleep. Consistency is key. By maintaining a regular sleep schedule, you can help keep your blood sugar levels stable, improve your overall health, and feel more energized throughout the day. So make sleep a priority and give your body the rest it needs to function at its best. In conclusion, a consistent sleep schedule is not just a good habit, it's a vital part of managing diabetes. By understanding the connection between sleep and blood sugar levels, you can take proactive steps to improve your health and well-being. So, set a bedtime, stick to it, and enjoy the benefits of a well-regulated sleep routine. Remember, your health is in your hands, and making small changes to your sleep habits can have a big impact on your diabetes management. Sweet dreams. Now, let's talk about bedtime snacks. This topic often sparks a lot of debate, especially among those managing diabetes. I know what you're thinking. Isn't snacking before bed a bad idea? Wait, I thought snacking before bed was a bad idea, especially for diabetics. It's a common misconception. And while it's true that mindless snacking before bed can lead to weight gain and blood sugar spikes, it's not the whole story. A well-planned, balanced bedtime snack can actually be beneficial for people with diabetes. It's all about making smart choices. The key is to choose snacks that are low in carbohydrates and high in protein and fiber. These nutrients help manage blood sugar levels effectively. This combination helps stabilize blood sugar levels overnight and prevents those dreaded early morning blood sugar spikes. It's a proactive approach to managing diabetes. Think of it this way. When you sleep, your body continues to use glucose for energy, even though you're not actively eating. Your body is still working, and it needs fuel. If you go to bed on an empty stomach, your blood sugar levels can drop too low, leading to a condition called hypoglycemia. This can be dangerous and disrupt your sleep. A balanced bedtime snack provides your body with a slow and steady release of glucose throughout the night, preventing those dips in blood sugar. It's like giving your body a gentle nudge to keep it going. But remember, it's not about indulging in a late-night feast. Moderation is key. Keep your bedtime snacks small and nutrient-rich. This ensures you get the benefits without overloading your system. Some great options include a handful of almonds, which are packed with healthy fats and protein. A small piece of fruit with a tablespoon of nut butter is another excellent choice. The fruit provides natural sugars while the nut butter adds protein and healthy fats, or a few whole grain crackers with some cheese. This combination offers a good balance of carbohydrates, protein and fat. And as always, it's essential to monitor your blood sugar levels before and after your bedtime snack to see how your body responds. This helps you make informed choices and adjust as needed. Keeping a food journal can also be helpful. Note down what you eat and how it affects your blood sugar levels. Over time, you'll see patterns and be able to make better decisions. With the right approach, bedtime snacks can be a friend, not a foe. They can help you maintain stable blood sugar levels and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to start your day. We've talked about the importance of a consistent sleep schedule and a balanced bedtime snack. These habits are essential for maintaining overall health and well-being, especially for those managing blood sugar levels. A good night's sleep can significantly impact how your body processes glucose, and a balanced snack can help stabilize your blood sugar levels overnight. Now let's move on to another crucial nighttime habit: monitoring your blood sugar levels before bed. This simple practice can provide you with valuable information about your body's glucose management and help you make informed decisions about your nighttime routine. Think of it like checking the fuel gauge in your car before a long trip. Just as you wouldn't want to start a journey without knowing if you have enough fuel, you shouldn't go to bed without knowing your blood sugar levels. You want to make sure you have enough fuel to reach your destination, right? Similarly, you need to ensure your blood sugar levels are in a safe range to get through the night without any issues. Checking your blood sugar levels before bed gives you valuable insights into how your body is managing glucose and helps you make informed decisions about your bedtime routine. It can alert you to any potential issues that might arise during the night, allowing you to take proactive steps to address them. For example, if your blood sugar is running a little high before bed, you might need to adjust your dinner portion size or go for a brisk walk to help lower it. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how your body manages glucose overnight. On the other hand, if your blood sugar is on the lower side, you might need to have a small bedtime snack to prevent hypoglycemia during the night. This can help ensure that your blood sugar levels remain stable and you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Remember, everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. That's why it's important to find a routine that works best for you and your unique needs. Regular blood sugar monitoring can help you understand your body's patterns and make necessary adjustments. That's why regular blood sugar monitoring is so crucial. It helps you understand your body's unique patterns and make adjustments as needed. By keeping a log of your blood sugar readings, you can track trends and identify any potential issues before they become serious problems. It helps you understand your body's unique patterns and make adjustments as needed. With the help of modern technology, you can easily track your blood sugar levels using smartphone apps and other digital tools, making it easier than ever to stay on top of your health. And don't worry, checking your blood sugar before bed doesn't have to be a chore. With today's technology, there are many convenient and discreet blood glucose meters available. These devices are designed to be user-friendly and can easily fit into your nightly routine. With today's technology, there are many convenient and discreet blood glucose meters available. These devices are designed to be user-friendly and can easily fit into your nightly routine. Whether you prefer a traditional meter or a more advanced model, there's an option out there for everyone. Make it a part of your nighttime routine, just like brushing your teeth or washing your face. By incorporating blood sugar monitoring into your nightly habits, you can take control of your health and ensure a restful, worry-free night's sleep. We're all about those nighttime habits that make a big difference. And this next one is simple, but oh so important: staying hydrated. You see, when we don't drink enough fluids, our blood sugar levels can actually rise. Dehydration causes your blood sugar to become more concentrated, leading to higher readings. And nobody wants that, especially before bed. But here's the good news: staying hydrated doesn't require any fancy drinks or complicated routines. Good old-fashioned water is your best friend. Aim to sip on water consistently throughout the day and evening. Now I know what you might be thinking. Won't drinking water before bed make me wake up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom? And while it's true that drinking too much fluid right before bed can disrupt your sleep, you can definitely find a balance. Try to finish your last big glass of water an hour or two before you actually hit the hay. This way, you're giving your body time to process the fluids. And hey, if you do find yourself needing an extra bathroom break during the night, that's okay too. It's a small price to pay for the benefits of staying hydrated. We've covered a lot of ground tonight, from sleep schedules to snacks to staying hydrated. But there's one more crucial piece of the puzzle: stress management. You see, stress doesn't just make us feel frazzled during the day, it also wreaks havoc on our blood sugar levels. When we're stressed, our bodies release hormones like cortisol, which can cause our blood sugar to spike. And if you're already dealing with the challenges of managing diabetes, chronic stress can make it even tougher to keep your blood sugar under control. That's why it's so important to find healthy ways to unwind and de-stress before bed. Think about what helps you relax and let go of the day's worries. Maybe it's a warm bath with some Epsom salts, reading a good book, or listening to calming music. Or perhaps you prefer more active stress busters like gentle yoga or stretching. Experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you. The key is to make stress management a non-negotiable part of your nighttime routine. And here's a simple yet powerful technique you can try tonight. Deep breathing exercises. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Focus on your breath and let go of any tension you're holding in your body. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and take care. Remember, managing diabetes is a journey, not a destination. And by incorporating these simple yet powerful nighttime habits into your routine, you're taking important steps towards better blood sugar control and overall well-being. Sweet dreams, and here's to a healthier, happier you.